Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MoneyGram. Track and send transfers step by step clearly. Open the YouTube description and make sure you have the official MoneyGram website link or the official MoneyGram mobile app. Check that your internet connection is stable so the login page loads without errors. If you are using a computer, open your web browser and go to MoneyGram.com. If you are using a phone, open the MoneyGram app from your home screen. Look for the Sign In button at the top of the page or on the first app screen. Tap or click Sign In to open the login form. In the email field, type the email address you used when creating your MoneyGram account. In the password field, type your password carefully and check for caps lock mistakes. If you want to stay signed in, turn on Remember Me only on your personal device. Tap or click Sign In to submit your details. If you are asked for a verification code, check your email or phone messages for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears, then confirm to continue. If the login fails, recheck your email and password and try again slowly. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email address, then follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Create a new strong password, then return to the sign-in page and log in again. After logging in, go to the dashboard or home screen to see your account options. To track a transfer, find and select Track a Transfer or Track Transfer. Enter the reference number or confirmation number from your receipt or email. Also enter the sender's last name if the screen asks for it. Tap or click Track to view the current status and delivery details. To send money, choose Send Money or Start a Transfer from the main menu. Select the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. Choose how the receiver will get the money, such as cash pickup or bank deposit, if available. Enter the receiver's full legal name exactly as shown on their ID. Review fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time before continuing. Add or select your payment method, then confirm the transfer details carefully. Submit the transfer and save the confirmation number so you can track it anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.